friends, and welcome back. In this video, I'm showcasing Wave Hello's First Impressions Kit, which is a fun way to create a priceless clay impression keepsake to remember your child's tiny footprint and handprint. I'll unbox the First Impression Kit for you and then explain what this kit offers. I'll then instruct on how to make your child's footprint and handprint clay impression to get the best great results. And then I'll share more about Wave Hello's company and products they offer for parents and baby. Thank you to Wave Hello for sponsoring today's video. I reached out to them specifically because we first used their memory kit for my toddler when she was a baby. We loved how it turned out, and it's still on display in her room. The quality of the kit, the affordable price, and with how easy it was to do made us want to create a video about this company to share with you that you can also enjoy this First Impressions kit with your family. All right, let's get started. The contents in the kit includes a frame. It's a wooden frame with acrylic glass. It has a pre-cut mat and then a blackboard. It has 3 packets of non-toxic white clay. It is safe for children of all ages, including newborns. A wooden roller, double-sided tape, and a letter stamp kit. Here are some pro tips to make sure that you do everything possible to get the best results. First, wash your hands thoroughly before beginning. If you want to use the letter stamp kit, prepare your stamp before beginning the clay process. Be sure to put your message in the tray backwards so it displays correctly when pressed into the clay. If you want to just double check that everything is going to be read properly, you can hold up the letters to a mirror. If you're not happy with the impression, feel free to remove the clay and knead it together again. If the clay starts to feel a bit dry, just add a bit of olive oil to it. Also, adding a bit of olive oil to baby's skin before pressing to the clay can make for smoother removal. Okay, so here are the 9 steps to doing the frame kit. Number 1, remove the frame kit from the package and separate the 4 components. Number 2, open all 3 packets of clay and combine them together. Be sure to not set the clay down on any surface as it can easily pick up dust or lint. Knead the clay pieces together for at least 3 minutes until they have been combined into one smooth mass. Number 3, place the mass of clay on the backboard of the frame and spread it out using your hands. Be sure to fill the entire space, including the corners. Number 4, using the wooden roller, gently roll back and forth over the clay until it's smooth. Use your fingertips to lightly smooth out any remaining cracks in the clay surface. Number 5, place baby's hand or foot on the clay and press down firmly to make a clear impression. For best results, spread baby's fingers and keep the toes straight. Number 6, if you have prepared a message with the letter stamp set, press that firmly into the clay and remove gently. Number 7, the clay needs to dry thoroughly, approximately 4 days before assembling the frame. Do not touch while it's drying and keep it out of sunlight and away from drafts. Number 8, wait until the clay is completely dry before adding pictures. The pre-cut mat has space for 2 photos. The opening for the photos is approximately 2.75 by 2.75, but be sure to cut the pictures slightly larger so that you'll be able to secure them to the mat and with the double-sided tape. Number 9, assemble the frame. And that's it. Super easy, and you can have this keepsake forever. Every First Impressions kit includes a code that's redeemable for the Mozart album, a Goldilocks and the 3 Bears recordable book, and 4 versions of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star Sing-Along, all in their free voice share app. Wave Hello's mission is all about striving for deeper connections with one another. Their goal is to empower families to connect, to share, and to thrive by leveraging technology and innovation. I also wanted to include other products that Wave Hello offers in case you were also interested. First, I want to talk about the Belly Buds Baby Bump speakers, which allows you to safely play music and voices directly to the womb. A baby's hearing is fully developed at about 20 weeks, and memories start at about 30 weeks. Wave Hello Sound Bug. You can soothe, stimulate, and connect with your children in the nursery and on the go with voice messages from family or songs from your favorite playlist. The Love Bub is not only a super soft, lovey security blanket, but it also can be used for a nightlight. It plays lullabies and has built-in white noise. You can also use Wave Hello's voice share app to record voice messages, lullabies, and stories from your loved one to share with your little one. You can buy your own First Impressions kit and the other products I mentioned in the description box below. If you like what you see, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and check out our Instagram at the_Fife_life. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.
It's okay.